Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to do Waterworks. We're going to do Waterworks. Who's excited? So, we're on Spring Way. We had to pull up one house because we got a barking dog. But his tail's wagging. But if you were to see him, you'd say, I don't care if his tail's wagging, he looks too vicious. So, we're going to pull right up past him. But we're on Spring Way, and we're going to go up and back it. There's a razor wire over here, so it makes me wonder what the deal is. They don't want people down that canal or something. But anyway, so without any further ado or jabbering, sweetie, let's get started. Okay, people, we're off. Now what do we see here? Some
houses.
Okay. Well, those people got a big doghouse in the back of their pickup. I don't quite understand the point
Maybe
of
they
that.
just bought it and
Well, that's kind of that's a more modernistic type looking house, but it's pretty. And this palm tree almost looks like it's fake. Look how it's look the style of it. It almost makes it look like it's some sort of a fake thing.
Some birds. Amazing? I see some birds in that.
Up
it's
in
like
there?
a cage down the bottom. See the birds?
Where?
Where that like a veranda is. Look down like they
Oh, in the bottom? There's birds
in the bottom,
down in there.
Yeah.
Okay, people, I don't know if you can see that or not, but let me get more to the left of the road in case somebody wants to pass me here.
It's
okay. Okay. Well, these aren't great big huge homes here. And I don't know if this is technically part of Waterworks. When you look on Google Maps, it says this road that we're on is Waterworks Road, but it's not. Or no, it says it's Norbrook Drive, and this isn't Norbrook. This is Waterworks, I'm pretty sure.
You sure it's not?
We don't know where we're at. How's that, people? If anybody knows for sure what Spring Way is considered. And I wasn't even sure of the road because Google Maps shows one thing and Apple Maps shows the next. Boy, look at the house up there, though.
You'll be coming down back on this road?
Yeah, I have to, I think. But I'm not 100% sure of that. I'm not 100% sure, sweetie, how this is going to go. Boy, that house up there is... if that would get remodeled, wouldn't that be something?
Oh,
man, wouldn't that be something?
Someone living.
You know what? I think that's the back of the houses in Norbrook.
Yeah.
That's what I think. Those houses here. I'm not doing Norbrook right now. Let's get back to what we're.
So what are you talking about now?
Well, because it was so pretty. I mean, it's not pretty, but I could see the possibilities. You know.
It seems like it's the back of the house.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are the backs of those houses, which are kind of nice to look at. Oh, this is pretty. I just love this when it's all these pretty.
I say Bougainville.
Bougainville? Bougainville is the name of it. Yeah, just so pretty to me. It just, I don't know. Maybe they have them in foreign and stuff. And then the ones, that purple one there?
The purple.
See the purple or the... whatever, see the purple one next to the house?
Oh, that look like hibiscus.
Yeah, I've heard another name for it.
It's not. That one is not. It looks like hibiscus, but the leaves.
It's like an acacia. I can't. Oh boy, I've had like 3 different people tell me what that is. Yeah. You'd think I could remember it?
The flowers on it would look like hibiscus. But
oh boy, that electricity looks like that's. Well, maybe that's not their electrical. Pulling on that wire. Well, I can't worry about that.
Oh, this one here is hibiscus.
Boy, some of these houses are just right up to the road too. So this is just a different kind of neighborhood, you know. Yeah. Well, people, you know, we almost didn't get out today, but I said we got to do a video today, and we wanted to come out and do a couple of them. So
I don't remember what you said. Someone told you that those flowers at the fence. So.
Oh,
I don't remember the name, but it's very common.
Oh, see, now that's apartment building, but I think that's back on Norbrook, and then the house, that's just the house right there in the yard, see?
Oh, it's a dead end, it's closed.
Yeah, it's just a close. They call it Spring Way. Maybe because that's a spring that goes down that beside the road. There's 3 houses right here. There's one up in there, more secluded. That's kind of nice. This yellow cream color on 38 Spring Way. That's nice. That's very nice. I like that. So, okay, people, we might just drive back here and maybe we'll see something from the other side, but I'm not going to go real slow or anything. So, and I may just cut this out, although there's some beautiful flowers up here. You see them coming, people? Where you see them coming towards us? Look at that tall tree. I didn't even notice that when we went by it.
What's the name you said? Some Italian.
Is that the Italian? No, I don't think that's something different. I don't know. Boy, it's up there though. Okay, let's get to the exciting part of Waterworks. I don't think that's the exciting part. Well, that dog just laying there taking a nap now. He's not interested in barking at anybody. Okay, this is one Waterworks. We can't even go in there. That's gated there. So, that's a gated community there. Boy, that'd be nice to go up in there.
Welcome to one Waterworks.
And let's see here. Oh, this is...
Why, Manor Park?
Huh?
Villas at Manor Park. Why? So...
Well, I don't see any, you know, we can't go up in there either. So this may be Waterworks, but doesn't seem like we can really go see anything.
Oh, so there are some villas inside here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It just looks like all gated communities along in here. Just pure gated communities.
Yeah.
Well, I don't see the whole point in doing this. We can't go inside any place.
You just have to do what you can get outside.
Oh, here we can do something here. There we can do something. Look at there.
Townhouse for rent.
Yeah, those are nice there. Those are. But I don't know if that's a. Yeah, just gated community, gated community.
Yeah.
So.
It's a nice area. You know?
Yeah, very nice. But we can't really see anything. And here again, cocoa palm. Oh, that guy behind me was pulling in there. That's why he wasn't interested. That's Broadway there. I don't even know if that's part of the same neighborhood, sweetie. That might be a whole different neighborhood or a different video sometime. Let me see where I'm at on the video, because we may have to just... I almost need to go longer here quite a bit. Well, let's go down this road. This seems like a nice road to take. Just look at these homes. Okay, this looks like a close, so we'll just do the one side. And then we'll come back and do the other. Well, it's really kind of hard to see much here in this neighborhood.
Yeah.
You know, the houses are a lot closer together. So.
Yes.
I mean, they're really beautiful. They're really beautiful landscape, nice cozy homes.
Yeah.
I mean, this would really be a nice place to live. That's for certain.
Yeah.
My gosh. It seemed like it would be quiet here too.
Yeah. Yes.
Especially, you know, when they do a close like this. Yeah. I think this is just pure clothes along in through here. So let's do the other side here. And then we'll go up to the next clothes, people.
They don't open it out to go into the town.
Huh?
They don't open it out that the road goes out into town.
No.
Yeah.
No.
It's
Yeah,
closed.
it keeps it so
Close.
it-
Yeah.
The only traffic that's going to be on this road is Red Button Journal doing his photography and people who live here. You know? So this is real nice. Boy, that's a long gate. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
But he had to
Wow.
because of the way it's set up.
Watch this dog. In favor.
He looks like a serious guard dog because he's
What kind of dog that?
that's a German Shepherd. And you don't want to mess with them. They will take you down.
Wait, German Shepherd is a kind of vicious dog?
They're very smart and they're used like for seeing eye dogs. They're used for police dogs. You know, stuff like that. Hello.
Woman drive.
Huh?
No, one woman driving and one outside.
Oh boy.
But they are the same, like the same age group people.
Okay. Well, that's our viewership age group. So
Yeah.
okay, this is Waterworks Crescent.
Crescent.
Oh, that's a all nice little homes. When I'm on that main road, I feel like I need to speed up, you know, because I don't want to impede traffic and have people blowing me all the time. Yeah.
Oh, there's a
Oh, that's a pretty home. See, it's not. Oh, it goes back. I was going to say it's not very big, but it is.
It's big, yeah,
It's much bigger than you realize.
Yeah, it go way back.
Yeah, it goes way back. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I thought this road.
It ends down here.
I don't know.
There's a forest over there.
Oh, yeah, this is the end, I think. Looks like maybe. Yeah, it just goes down to a couple houses down here. Boy, look at this. This would be a quiet place to live right here.
And have a forest.
Look at this. Yeah. Imagine looking out your front door and that's what you see. And you're right
It's
in
really nice
the city.
over here.
You're right in the city.
Yeah.
And that's what you get to see when you look out your front door.
And you're away from the city.
Yeah. Yeah, you have your own little private place, you know.
It's really nice.
Boy, that would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, we're looking on. But this little forest here. This little forest here is nice.
That's where that ditch, you know, that went down between the spring ways right over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boy, those bright red flowers. Those are the Bougainvillea? Bougainvillea?
No.
Okay.
No.
No, they're not.
Yes.
I don't know.
I don't even know. They are so big.
Ooh, look at that White House with the black trim, or it's not really black. It's kind of a dark gray. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. I do like that color combination. I like more the pastel colors. When you get in the rural parts, you get in some pretty bright colors. Even our rural home is very bright colored, bright yellow. I would say these are more like the, I don't know, what, 80s homes?
Bougainvilleas.
Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that.
And look, over across the road there, a purplish color one, look. Okay.
That's Bougainvillea.
Yeah.
I like that cream on that home. Okay. the way they've laid this out is nice.
See the white bougainvillea?
Where they've just got the homes facing the road on the one side. And then they have the... Well, yeah, let's see how they did the fancy blocks on the wall.
Look at this kale.
Oh, that's kale. Yeah.
No, it's not kale. It's
Oh, that's.
It's not kale. It's all those things that grow out in the desert. What do you call them?
Oh, now this house here is getting added on to. Okay. Well, neither one of us are very talkative today. So people, you're just going to have to enjoy the views because the chat is not on our typical high level. Our high level chat is not here today. We left it at home today.
Whoa, that garage, it seems like it's a 4-car garage.
4 cars? On which one? The one back over there?
Yeah.
Okay, well let me take a look at this one. And then I'm gonna go over there.
The overcast here, look. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. One can go there, one. You see? Inside here, it's big.
Well, let's see.
Because
3, but maybe there was a 4th one.
No, one more can hold at the front of.
Oh, but in the same stall.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, that just still makes it 3 car. Just because they could fit 4 in there, because one goes back deep. The one's really not the garage; it's just an awning over there. It's still nice. But yeah, they're doing some new work here. Maybe gonna make that an apartment or something. I don't know. I'm wondering, in a neighborhood like this, can you just, if you want to just change something to an apartment, if you can do that, or if you have to get some sort of special
I think you have
approval?
to
Hey, pick up yourself. Bless up, General. Yeah.
You're true.
Say what?
No, you're true.
Oh yeah, my throat went on me.
Oh, that thing that I'm saying.
I'm not gonna go.
Well,
no, I should go up in here.
How far you can go?
Just a little bit around here. Yeah, let me see what we got up in here. Oh, this is just a little gated place. I don't think I can go all the way around, sweetie. Oh, there's a house tucked up in there. Look at that. Talk about privacy.
Yeah.
Just tucked right in there.
Ronia is really nice.
It really is a nice neighborhood.
Like this is a lot right here. Here.
Yeah.
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 Whoa,
well, and look, there's a lot there, unless that's supposed to be like the community park or something,
I don't know. Unless somebody owns it and
then here, somebody's putting in apartments. Oh, they're all going to have a carport, and there's Parkway Springs. Oh, now is that a single-family residence there, or is that a? Yeah, look at that house.
Yeah.
Now the only thing I don't like about it is they took their garage and turned it into
a room.
A room, but But some people don't need a garage or want one.
They can just put it outside. I know it's big. It's big.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, is that the back of the house? And then there's the front over there?
The front is...
over there?
It has 2 front. One to this side and one...
Seems... yeah. I wonder if it's apartments now.
Oh.
And that's why they don't have a garage anymore.
This lot here, there's a sign right there. So look on the sign. If
oh, yeah. So maybe, this lot may be for sale.
Yeah. It's nice.
Right here.
It's nice. See?
What does it say?
Lots for sale.
Lots for sale. Oh, look at that, people.
So why townhouse?
Here, you want to open my lime water?
So why townhouse on that?
Because there's a townhouse for rent over there.
Or
the townhouse is for sale or whatever. Part of the sign's broken off.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So lots for sale.
Let me get a little left. Clear out of my throat.
Real estate by Karen Otar and Associates.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can make somebody see the sign.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody who like it. So this lot is for sale.
Oh, this is a good long road.
So,
This is a good long road. Look at all the ivy on the wall here.
that's what they say
Yeah,
there.
see, look at that house. Well, they don't really have, they have just a little back door there. That's big. And that one, oh, that's a regular house there. That's pretty. I like that house. Wow, wow, wow.
Look at
Let me.
you see those trees growing on the palm?
Oh, the little trees growing on the palm. Yes. What's up with that?
It's
Oh, this is my favorite. This
What?
is my favorite house I've seen so far. You know what though? It's green. Green's our favorite color. Hello, blessings.
so what you should do, give me your YouTube
Huh?
NWC property no
Right
trespassing.
over here. Over there, see their big water tank?
So, yeah, see NWC property no trespassing.
Yeah, over there. But over here is a nice home.
It's an old time
Uh-huh.
home.
Nice home.
It's two things can hold in that garage, two vehicles.
Oh, that's nice. That's older. That's a totally different style than what you'd normally see in Jamaica with the brick like that. Yeah. Huh. And then this Spring Valley over here. Oh, I see a mango way over there hanging from the tree. You see it?
A mango?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Let me show you. See? See it? See the mango tree?
Okay, yes.
I see. I'm learning. Oh, look at that! Isn't that pretty? Just, living here, looking out your front door, and that's your view.
Place like this is so nice to live,
Yeah. And you're right in the city.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're
That's
right
the
in the
nice part.
city.
You're right in the city.
Away from the city.
Now what's that? That's part of the water stuff, I bet.
That's
Some sort of a water thing. Yeah. Well, they call it Waterworks over here, so.
See? Constant spring filter
Constant Springs filter plant.
or water.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, look at that view right there. Look at that view, people. Man, that is just gorgeous. You got the Ponciana trees in the distance. You got the palms, and you got coconut, and
Why that palm is so small at the bottom and the top is so big?
it kind of goes funny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like it bent over one time. It had to get strong one place.
But why are you saying it then?
I'm gonna have to cut it out. That's why.
You talk too much, that is it.
Yeah, I'll cut it out.
As I am, and then why?
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Something.
Huh?
You didn't decide?
Yeah, but I was going the opposite direction, and you know how things look different when you're going the opposite direction. That's why it's not always.
No, but you were on this side, so I'm on.
No, but I was filming this side up when we'd come up there. So. Yeah. Well, and because of the way I'm doing this, it's going to take me a little bit longer to edit this too, which is going to be a pain. I don't know, sweetie, what that is. We're going to go up here to this next road, see what it is. Yeah, they just got a lot of gated communities, but they're just apartments and stuff. It's a nice area.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I'm... Hello. Let's see, what road's this? This is Shaw Road Drive.
So,
Go up Shaw Road Drive. Take some pictures in Shaw Road Drive. That's pretty. Here, let me get up past this man. He doesn't want to be in my video. Yeah. Yeah, the Sharos gated community. Imagine that having big coconuts and stuff in your yard. You know? Yeah, it seems like this is just pure gated. But for the most part. Just let's see what the road does here. Oh, there's some nice, that's a nice house there.
man, turning back.
Yeah. And then the Sharo Estate is a gated community, but they're nice. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty in there. I turned the camera way too soon. Really, these gated communities are, you know, nicer than a lot of the homes. So to really...
But don't they have homes?
Yeah. But what I'm saying is, to live over in Waterworks, you'd almost have a nicer place if you lived in one of these gated communities than if you lived in just one of the homes, because it doesn't seem like some of the homes are quite as nice as the gated communities.
But I see some nice
But the homes are going to be bigger, you know.
Yeah.
The homes will be bigger. Okay, that's a...
Dead end.
Yeah. Somebody did a place to back out and turn around or whatever here.
This house is a old house. That one too.
That looks like a wood house.
It's wood. It's an old house. Concrete at the bottom. Wood at the top. And the next one over there.
Huh.
Those are long time houses.
Yeah, this is going to take a while to do an edit here, sweetie. Yeah, because we're...
Well, the house is far.
That one's far, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let me pull this in and this guy won't be nervous here. All right, people. This may not be as long a video as we usually do, and we're going to have to... I need to spend more time looking at the map before I come over here again. But we just felt like we needed to get something out today. You're good. So anyway, people, we're going to wrap it up here. Thanks for coming along on this ride with us today. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself, bless up yourself. Later. I don't even know if I was in the picture because of this new Zoom setting. There's Madge. There's Tom. We love you guys.